Scotland, in merry Scotland there were three, and they did cast lots which of them should go, should go, should go, or to turn robber all on the salt sea. Ah, the lot it fell upon Henry Martin, the youngest of all the three, that he should turn robber all on the salt sea, the salt sea, the salt sea, for to maintain his two brothers and he. Now they'd not been sailing but a long winter's night and part of a short winter's day, when they espied a true lofty ship, lofty ship, lofty ship, come a-sailing down on them straightway. Hello, hello, cried Henry Martin, what makes you sail so nigh? Oh, I'm a rich merchant vessel bound for London town, London town, London town. Now will you please for to let me pass by? Oh no, cried Henry Martin, this thing which never shall be, for I have turned robber all on the salt sea, the salt sea, the salt sea, for to maintain my two brothers and me. So broadside and broadside at it they went for fully 2 hours or 3, until he give to her the death shot, the death shot, the death shot, and straight to the bottom went she. Bad news to old England came, bad news to old London town. There's been a rich vessel and she's cast away, cast away, cast away, and all of her